Hi guys! Hey everyone! How are you guys doing? Again with another video. Today we are going to the river. We're going to the Rio Bueno river. So if you have ever been to the Rio Bueno river, comment down below. Yes, so
this is my first time.
This is my first time as well. I've never been here before. It's my very first time. So we're gonna show you how over here stay everything. If you know Rio, it is on the border of St.Ann and Trelawney, right there. So we there we go chillax everywhere, place kind of hot everything. They kind of ban certain rivers right now, but this one is not banned, so we're gonna just go there and chill.
Mad.
Oh, they have one thing.
Me not have no clue which part of the people. Rakisha can't come to the river here. They're follow me to smell food like I'm in partner in company. Alright, so we're gonna see how much we can enjoy ourselves and we're gonna take on the guys with we. A lot of persons just a marching, roots are rolling.
Yeah, I was thinking nobody
So,
need out there.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
So
We have food. You know when you go river, you can't look for food. You understand? It's kind of late now, you know, dinner time, really.
alright, so you kind of overclouded guys as you can see no sun now shine, so
But
when you just forgive way for the darkness, although I know it's not dark, but I know nobody find a fault and throw me on their bus from
but
now.
the river
So
just look nice and
Yeah.
cool and calm. It just, somebody was here.
somebody was here. Right. And people may have record this in a full 4K, so you can watch it high quality. Ensure you know watch it high quality.
Guys, me say, a mosquito them there. A mosquito them out. See a girl is in her swimsuit, lad. For my belly now. Travis so cute, my belly. Come over to me. Oh gosh. Alright, so come video me. See if they like me swimsuit. Alright guys, tell me if you like my swimsuit. Don't comment on my belly, please.
Show off the people. Because she has swimsuit I'm in hand on.
Oh please. Came up there drinking my orange juice. Mosquito them out here, man. Oh gosh. The current real strong. Look. It pushed me when me not hold on to the tree trunk. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cool and nice. You feel the current? It's strong. Oh god. Mosquito them a bite up my forehead. Oh gosh.
Me not tell no lie, yo, the place different. And the river and the mosquito them. People me not tell no lie. The mosquito them are chill with.
Watch here, why that looks so circular right there, so like it deep. You see it?
Oh, so in the circle like deep?
I don't know.
Akisha tell me since
I don't know.
when the circle like the water deep.
I don't know.
If you guys agree,
Kim?
all you have to do, I swim. You can't swim. Come, we walk go down so.
No,
And,
we don't walk as I'm grown.
where?
Here, so I step. I step there. I'll grow this part then there. We don't have to walk all the way there.
So I could walk them. I don't know if over the deep. People, I'm afraid, you know. Just
Alright, Kim, I'm not saying. Whoops. I need to push.
alright. So I struggle.
Come again. Can me they push me hard enough?
there. Tread pan it. Try tread pan it. Come in, because the mosquito make me go up and go down.
Hi guys. Oh god. Woo. Woo. No, my mosquito them terrible out here.
Mosquito them real terrible.
I'm having a good time. We just reached, but me have a good time because the place hot and the river is just like the best place. Come and cool down and me just like enjoy myself. People are gonna jump off and all them something here. I that me gonna sing off of.
Which one?
This one. Well, me never know how far that go.
Remember, say, oh, they see if we go where she going, no? Not this way, no?
Cause that's how we look up my
Yeah,
foot.
they're so close. You ready?
No, me don't know. Alright, you go on first.
No, are you first?
You go on first. You will tell me. You will tell me how deep it be if me can manage. You know me can manage.
You actually see it already, so you can know what it is.
You know me can manage. Hey, go on.
Remember, say I want to say this right, this one? Are this right?
Oh, yes. Oh. Not waste one. Me know yeah.
Don't let go, you know? Yeah, get the feeling. Lift up a foot them.
You know, drop. Whoops. Man, you know, you mosquito them. You mosquito them out hard, man. Guys, I'm scared. Are you catching pop with him? Yeah. I'm scared to jump off. That's a bit thing. I'm scared. You know, it's not all that deep. That's why I want Kim go first. And then, no, you know, me can manage. So you can tell me if we can manage it.
Lift up a foot, yeah.
Come back. Kim, how was it? In Kim, how was it? It deep?
No, we're not ready. You can actually stand up. You can stand up.
Kinda. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. I just jump and I get rope burn. Look. The rope burned my finger. I was so scared. And I did feel panicky a little bit, but I made it. I made it out alive. Oh my gosh. Over here fun though. So if you guys have never been to Rio River, you can come here. The water just nice and cooling, and over here just nice and people have a good time, as you guys can see from the background. Over here just nice. Over here just nice. Over here just nice. We have things up there, so everything. So over here good. You have a big land space, so you can play all kind of activities. If you have volleyball you want to play, football, cricket, anything you want to play upon here, so you come and you play, cook your pot, big party can keep right here, so party can keep right here, so see space so big? Yeah.
Yo,
Oh God.
this is like the worst thing for do. I try to cross the current. Like, try to.
Watch your mechanic, man. I'm spend hours now. You spend hours now one spot at drive. I come like in the come harder. The longer you stay, what? The longer you stay in here, the harder the current to that.
Mr. One little crab.
Boy, whoa. Okay, what's wrong with you?
Now, I'm not tell you lie, them a mosquito, yeah? And them a mosquito give you coronavirus. So people, over this side is really nice. Trust me, location nice. Nice.
Alright. Okay. Watch it. My neighbor stand up good, look here.
We are going to change.
Yeah?
We are going to change.
So one tree down this one.
Oh. So
Let's come right here,
Rakisha is going to change behind that tree. Right there. So nobody knows your little self. You know, you know who she hide from. Rock who you hide from.
If you in public. Watch here.
Come up.
Come on, get the cold water, it's just nice. So I can sit down here. So all of
ready?
the
One,
summer push me.
2, 3. You get that now?
Oh God. You have to stand up strong in our else the current carry away. Oh my God. Wait for my best one. Watch out. I don't even know if I have to put my foot. Oh.
Ooh. Ooh. Alright guys, so as you can see guys,
Stop, ants.
as a quick yes guys, as you can see, the environment is very peaceful. I'm glad to say the government not find the beach head for lockdown. I hope we not lock this down because I realize when I lock down I like beach head. Because I know this will bring corona in our country. The fact that we open the borders. Anyway, not for that. So we just want to know saying me enjoy myself.
I had a fabulous time. Yes, so as I said before, if you never hear about this river, Rio Bueno River, it is on the border of St.Ann and Trelawney. You can come here, it is nice.
What makes so much mosquito there place, man? No, sir. Yo, the mosquito, they not tell you, they're not afraid to bite you. But we really had fun. Right now, I don't feel like we go home. I'm going to see mosquito and run me.
Couple more dips.
Me? Not take no more dip.
And then we on our
move
way.
it.
Alright,
And you
so
not take no more dip neither.
I'm going back again, and that's on period.
You wipe off and we are going yard.
Alright, so guys, if you like this vlog, ensure that you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, comment something nice down below. Subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet. Hit that post notification bell to enjoy all of these good vlogs with us, and you'll be notified as soon as they drop.
Yeah,
so,
definitely. And remember guys, just you can follow us on Instagram, you know, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Rock and Chem. I can also just kill the hashtag. We are trying to build the hashtag Rock and Chem. So hashtag Rock and Chem straight through. We are starting using that as from now. So we guys, we are gonna see you now. I don't know.
In our next vlog, wherever that vlog is, wherever that vlog takes us, I hope that you guys will stay tuned for all of that. So until next time, bye guys.
Peace out.